Introduction to Saundarya Lahari. Saundarya Lahari, meaning waves of beauty, is a sacred Sanskrit hymn of 100 verses composed by the great Indian philosopher and mystic Adi Shankaracharya. It is a unique blend of spiritual poetry, mantric power, and tantric wisdom, dedicated to goddess Shakti, the universal feminine force in Hindu tradition. Who is goddess Shakti? The word Shakti means power, energy, or dynamic force in Sanskrit. Goddess Shakti is not just a deity, she is the cosmic energy that powers all of existence. In Hindu philosophy, nothing can move, act, or exist without Shakti. She is the creative force of the universe, the source of life, and the conscious power behind everything. That's why she is worshipped as the mother of the universe, the embodiment of wisdom, love, and strength, the power within every being, the soul's inner energy. What are Bijaksharas? Seed syllables. Bijaksharas are sacred syllables, each acting like a spiritual seed that contains the vibrational energy of a particular divine force. In Saundarya Lahari, many verses include mantras with these Bijaksharas used to connect with aspects of goddess Shakti. Common examples are Haim represents Mahashakti, the heart of all creation. Kleem represents energy of attraction and love. Haim represents wisdom and knowledge. These syllables are not just sound, they are considered living vibrations that affect consciousness when repeated with devotion. To a non-Hindu, think of Bijaksharas like spiritual tuning forks. Each one harmonizes your inner being to a divine frequency. What is Kundalini energy? Kundalini is a spiritual energy believed to lie dormant at the base of the spine within every human being. In Sanskrit, Kundalini literally means coiled like a serpent. This name comes from the ancient belief that this energy rests curled up 3.5 times at the base of the spine in the Mooladhara chakra, the root chakra. Why is it important? Kundalini is considered the Shakti within you, the divine feminine energy or life force that when awakened, rises up the spine, activates each chakra, energy center, and unites with Shiva, pure consciousness at the crown chakra, Sahasrara. This union brings about enlightenment, bliss and liberation, moksha, the realization of the self as infinite and divine. What happens when Kundalini awakens? When awakened, Kundalini moves through the central energy channel in the body called the Sushumna Nadi. As it rises, it pierces or activates the 7 main chakras. Chakras it activates include Mooladhara, root, survival, grounding, Swadhisthana, sacral, creativity, emotion, Manipura, solar plexus, power, will, Anahata, heart, love, compassion, Vishuddha, throat, truth, communication, Ajna, third eye, intuition, insight, Sahasrara, crown, bliss, cosmic unity. When it reaches the crown, one may experience expanded consciousness, loss of ego, deep joy or bliss, Ananda, a state of oneness with the universe. Kundalini and Goddess Shakti. In spiritual terms, Kundalini is Goddess Shakti within you. Shiva, the formless awareness, waits at the crown chakra. When Shakti rises, she unites with Shiva, completing the inner marriage of energy and consciousness. This symbolic union is the ultimate goal of many yogic and tantric paths. Is it religious or universal? Though rooted in Hindu and tantric traditions, the concept of spiritual energy exists across many cultures. Chi in Taoism, Holy Spirit in Christianity as divine energy, Sekhem in ancient Egyptian systems, and Shekinah in Jewish mysticism as divine presence. Kundalini is not about belief in a god, but about experiencing the energy of life that already exists within you and directing it towards spiritual awakening. How is Kundalini awakened? Traditional methods include mantra chanting, like in Saundarya Lahari, pranayama, breath control, meditation, Guru's grace, Shaktipat, tantric rituals, deep devotion to goddess Shakti. But it must be done safely and under guidance, as awakening this energy without preparation can lead to emotional or psychological imbalances. Is Kundalini dangerous? Kundalini is not dangerous by nature but powerful. Like electricity, when harnessed properly, it brings light. If misused or rushed, it can overwhelm. That's why traditional teachings emphasize purity, yamas, niyamas, self-discipline, guidance from a qualified teacher, devotion and humility. Kundalini in Saundarya Lahari. Saundarya Lahari describes the journey of Kundalini beautifully, especially in the first 41 verses. Ananda Lahari. Shakti as Kundalini rises up the chakras, illuminating the path to the Supreme Self. It combines poetry, mantras, bijaksharas, and yantras, energy diagrams, to awaken, guide, and protect the aspirant on this sacred journey. Kundalini awakening is the blossoming of the soul, the full realization of your divine nature. It's not a belief system, it's a living experience open to anyone ready to explore the truth within. Structure of Saundarya Lahari. 1. Ananda Lahari, verses 1 to 41. Focuses on the philosophy of Shakti, Kundalini energy, and the awakening of inner consciousness. 2. Saundarya Lahari, verses 42 to 100. Describes the sacred beauty of goddess Shakti, symbolizing both outer form and inner radiance. Each verse is not just poetic, it can also function as a mantra for meditation, a key to a yantra, mystic diagram, or a gateway to spiritual transformation. 1. Universal spiritual energy. Even outside of Hinduism, many traditions speak of a divine feminine in forms like the Shekinah, Judaism, Holy Spirit, Christianity, or Sophia, Greek philosophy. Goddess Shakti is that same sacred energy, the life force in everything. She is not limited to a form, temple, or name. She is the breath you take, the creativity in the mind, the love in the heart, the energy that flows in nature, music, movement, and thought. 2. Why it matters. Saundarya Lahari teaches that beauty is not just physical, but spiritual. The hymn shows how Goddess Shakti exists in us, as us, and around us. Whether someone is Hindu or not, the text offers peace through devotion, empowerment through spiritual energy, joy through the inner experience of beauty and unity. Summary. Saundarya Lahari is a profound hymn to Goddess Shakti, the cosmic force that creates, sustains, and transforms the universe. It blends poetry, mantra, philosophy, and mysticism into a single powerful spiritual path. For devotees, it is a gateway to divine connection. For seekers, it is a guide to awakening inner power. For everyone, it is a celebration of the sacred beauty that lives in all of us.